Hi, it's Graham at 2cvtools.com again. Now today we're going to show you the 2CV rear arm and how we're going to measure certain things on it. Here we've got two supports and they're machined at the bottom so that this is 90 degrees to the base. There's two sizes, 35mm for 2CV and 36mm for the Acadian size for the stub shaft here. So we'll move this out of the way and put this onto the arm and turn this over. Now the idea is to get this plate as flat as possible on the workbench, like that. And to do that we've got to support it at this end. And this plate must be absolutely flat. We'll just have to do a final adjustment somewhere there. Feels about correct. So this is now flat on the surface. Now another thing we have to do to recheck that it is flat is to see where the bubble is on the spirit level and transfer it onto here. It's not quite in the right place. It has to go. That's about right. Now we check it the other way. See where the bubble goes here. It's about right as well. So we now know that this is flat. So now we can start to do the measuring. And we use this tool, which has protective caps on either end. This is 400mm long. It goes to a point at either end. And it's inclined at 5 degrees. Now our first measurement we're going to check is the towing of this rear arm. And we set the tool up like this with this pin in line with the weld on the arm. And we measure this height . 252mm. And we turn it around 90 degrees and line it up with the weld again.
180 degrees.
180, sorry. And we measure this again on the low side. It's 217. Now we've got a difference in the height of the pin points of 35.2mm. So we're going to do
35.0.
So what have we got, Alan?
35 dead.
And now we've got to take the pin difference away from it, this from the pin. So we've got 0.2 of a millimetre difference and we're allowed between 0 and 1.2 millimetres.
That's well in.
So we're okay there. So the towing is correct for this arm. So now we're going to check the camber. It doesn't say it in degrees, it gives you a measurement in millimetres. So what we do is we move this round so it's 90 degrees to the arm, and measure the high point and the low point. So we'll do the high point first. .250 millimetres.
250.
Set it up again at 90 degrees. .215.
Same as the other.
So what we do now,
35 dead.
okay, we've got 35 millimetres difference, and our pin size difference in a point is 35.2. So we've now got 0.2 of a millimetre difference for the camber angle, and we're actually allowed 0 to 3.5 millimetres. So this arm is actually in perfect condition. It's not twisted or bent, and we've measured it successfully. Thank you for watching.